Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your student discount card at the store counter, follow these step-by-step instructions to start saving money on your purchases. Step 1. Bring your student discount card to the customer service desk or checkout counter at the participating store. Make sure the store accepts your specific discount card. Step 2. Present your student discount card along with a valid student ID to the store associate. Your student ID should show your current enrollment status. Step 3. The associate will verify your student status by checking your ID and matching it with the information on your discount card. Step 4. Provide any additional information requested by the store, such as your phone number, email address, or date of birth for their records. Step 5. The store associate will activate your discount card in their system by scanning or entering the card number and linking it to your account. Step 6. You may be asked to sign a form or agree to terms and conditions associated with the student discount program. Read these carefully before agreeing. Step 7. Once activation is complete, the associate will confirm that your card is ready to use. They may provide you with information about what discounts are available. Step 8. Test your activated card by making a purchase at the store. Present your discount card at checkout to ensure the discount is applied correctly to your transaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.